Definitely, Bulbulia is actually it started off with the concept of Bhul Bhulaiya, as I still remember. Shantanu, actually हम जब इस गाने पे काम कर रहे थे, I remember the first time I played it to Shantanu, he jumped out of the seat in the first hearing and he was like, Mithun, it is the way it is. And actually it is before Bhul Bhulaiya. Bhul Bhulaiya is basically a Sufi expressionism. इसका कोई definite मतलब नहीं है, लेकिन एक जैसे होता है कि जैसे एक फनेटिक है और काफी सारे सूफीज इसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं और एक पॉइंट आया जब हम लोग ने सोचा था कि हम इसको भूल भुलैया कर देंगे, क्योंकि वो जो फिल्म में जो कैरेक्टर है नील का वो जो है वो काफी कश्मकश में है, लेकिन आई थिंक आई वुड लाइक टू गिव इट टू शांतनु और शीशक. उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि मिथुन, लेट्स नॉट टेक अवे द ऑर्गेनिक एंड स्पॉन्टेनियस रिएक्शन दैट्स कम फ्रॉम यू. अगर बुलबुलिया है तो बुलबुलिया, एक जुनून के 10 पल है और है सुकून का.
It's very interesting anecdote I can share about Shantanu and Shishak both. Both of us, there was this one fight sequence that was being done, and we shot it at I think around 1:32 in the night. And this was in fact one of the last bits of the fight sequence, and Shantanu told me that we need to just get one X factor, you know. I looked at both of them and I was like, shit, man, what to do? I was so confused, and I think we just went with the flow. It shaped up really interesting. But see the film. I prefer everyone to see it in the film. Thanks.
My experience was really very well. He actually gives, your freedom. Like, if he'll just tell you the composition and he'll ask you how you want to do it. So you can give it your own style. I think that's why you call up a particular singer. You want his style and your composition. So it's like a treat to work with him. You know, you can work in your own style.
3G, I'm very blessed कि मैं इस फिल्म का मैंने म्यूजिक किया. I would like to thank Vicky to give me complete creative freedom to do such experimental, and nobody would expect कि Mithun would do a crazy song like Khalpali. So I would like to give him for that, and completely giving me my creative space. Shantanu, Shishak, I had a great time working with you, and
I think for the band, for everyone, thank you so much. Y'all are extremely kind, and Mithun, my God, Mithun, seriously, the more you say about this man, the lesser it is. I think I've always believed that any man who's close to music is close to godliness, and Mithun, you've proved it yet once again. I should touch your feet and take your blessings, man. You're a great musician. And thank you everybody, Toji sir, everyone, thank you, all the singers. Sonal, brilliant performance, mind-blowing. Now one request of mine which I had said from there, which I had shouted.
Sure, definitely, if Neil has requested, आखिर हमारी फिल्म का हीरो है, we have to. आजकल remix तो सभी करते ही है, club versions तो बहुत common हो गए, but in 3G for the first time we have done something like an a cappella version, which is very unique by oneself. It's not exactly a cappella, it's cantabile and an Italian style of कैसे बताओ. आप CD पे जरूर सुनिएगा. And that track has been rendered by my dear friend Vishek Narwal. शिल्पा से आप लोग मिल चुके हैं, तोची रैना से आप लोग मिल चुके हैं. And while that reaches here, my mom is here. I would like to introduce everyone to my mom. This is the first time she has attended. She generally doesn't come for launches, but she always felt 3G was special.
As everybody says कि मेरा बेटा है इसलिए इसकी तारीफ नहीं करूँगा, but I say मेरा बेटा है इसलिए he is great.
Thank you, sir.
He is a wonderful human being, and what heart he has I don't know, but I know he's been blessed by Lord Jesus Christ, and I just have no words. I'm speechless, and हम लोग पहले ऐसा सुनते थे कि म्यूजिक जो है वो समंदर है, उसमें आप जितना सीख सकते हो। तो मैं हमेशा सोचता था कि ये कैसे हो सकता है, when I was a kid. But today I understand and I accept and I want to confess that after doing so much work in this film industry, in music, being a composer now, I have started learning from Mithun. Thank you.